Cooking up a storm, unraveling the meaning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's as vivid as it is intriguing. To cook up a storm. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves exploring the nuances of language, this video is for you. We're going to break down what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this expressive idiom. At first glance, this phrase might conjure images of someone literally cooking in the middle of a storm. However, to cook up a storm is actually a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of cooking a lot of food very enthusiastically or skillfully. When someone says they're going to cook up a storm, it means they're preparing to make a large amount of food, often for a gathering or special occasion. And they're doing it with a lot of energy and passion. While the exact origins of "to cook up a storm" are a bit murky, it's believed to have come from the idea of creating something as powerful and impactful as a storm. Just as a storm can take over the sky with its intensity, a person cooking up a storm takes over the kitchen with their culinary creations. This phrase reflects both the volume and the vigor of the cooking process. Using this phrase is a great way to add some flair to your English. Here are a few examples of how it can be incorporated into conversation. Preparation for a party. I'm going to cook up a storm for the family reunion this weekend. There'll be enough food to feed an army. Complimenting someone's cooking skills. Every time we go to Julia's house, she cooks up a storm. Her dishes are always the highlight of our gatherings. Expressing enthusiasm about cooking. I just got a new cookbook, and I can't wait to cook up a storm this holiday season. Understanding the cultural context of idiomatic expressions like "to cook up a storm" can enhance your grasp of English. This phrase is especially popular in contexts where food and gatherings are central to the culture. It underscores the importance of food in bringing people together and the joy that comes from preparing meals for loved ones. It's a celebration of both the act of cooking and the communal experience of eating. We hope you've enjoyed unraveling the meaning of "to cook up a storm" with us. This phrase is a wonderful example of how language can capture the energy, passion, and creativity of everyday activities like cooking. Remember, learning idioms and expressions not only helps you understand the language better but also gets you closer to sounding like a native speaker. So, go ahead and try using "to cook up a storm" in your next conversation about food and cooking. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.